Hello dear viewers, today I will show you that's how to screenshot Windows 10. This is very easy. I will show you in three methods. That's very simple and very easy. Anyone can do this uh, in Windows 10 in laptop and PC. So let's go. So first time you have to go here. I saying that if you screenshot, just come to here, search box here, click here search box and click here snipping, just SNIPI. Whenever you type it, the snipping tools will be come here. This is you are seeing, this is you are watching the, just click here. Whenever you click here, the screenshot tools, snipping tools are ready. If I take a screenshot, these or these, just click this button, new snipping tools, new, this button, just click here which part you want to take a screenshot, just take this, okay, screenshot created, just click here save, and the file will be saved in a name, given the name. If you give the name, I gave it 01 and sending to sending, keeping here pictures, okay, in pictures, so 01, okay, save. The screenshot has done. If you want to new, just click new. If you want to take a screenshot full of these with date and time, just click here, okay, create it, just save, and this will be in pictures folder, and just go 03, oh sorry, 01, 02, save. That will be saving. That's part one, and very simple and easy. Then another part is going to just cancel it. If we go, another part is that's if you want to select any one of these videos, okay, just go to your keyboard and just press Windows. I just write here, just press Windows plus, just press print screen, just press print screen, okay, just press print screen, okay. Here in your keyboard, whenever you bring your keyboard, that time just print Windows and just plus press again print screen, okay. I show you, just click Windows and print screen, okay. Already pop up black shape came and gone, okay. Again I take Windows plus print screen two times, so where the file will be found, so let's go where the file will be found. In the picture sections you want to you will be want this okay, like that, like this file, okay, screenshot, okay. Just click here, clicking here, double clicking here, that's the screenshot 3, screenshot 4. Two times I press, which phrase? Windows plus print screen in your keyboard, Windows plus print screen. I again saying Windows plus print screen, just press in all together, that will be save the print screen in your pictures folder. Here is it. If I open this folder, if I open this file, that will be just I want to take a screenshot about this with Windows plus print screen, just I press Windows and press print screen, last just come back the black pop-up and gone, okay. So let's go, where is it, the screen shaper, this is okay. If I double click it, it will be open. This is the print screenshot. So this is the second method. By that way you can take print screen easily, but this is a whole screen will be come. But if you want to separately of these separately, you want to print screen of this side, I showing that I want to print screen this side, only this area. So that time you have to go the first method, go to the search option here, search option, okay, just type SNIP. This option will become, just click these apps and that will be ready here. That will be ready. I just take the this option, okay. I just take these and click here, okay. Just I take the print screens. You also take different kinds of writing here. You can take writing here, red pen, black pen, blue pen. Here you can write just what you want, print screen, okay. You can write here like this, print screen, okay. Screen, you can write like this, screen, print screen, okay, like this. And whenever you save it, which folder you want to take, I will be set up it in picture, okay. Set up it 407. That will be going to where the 07, here is it, in the pictures folder, okay, like that. So this is easy way you want to. And another third and easiest way, that is light shot. Here is it. You can click here and black shape will come. Which area you want to take a screenshot? I want to take this area, okay. That will be come, and I save it here, copy, not copy, save, okay. Here is it, save. Which folder you want to take? I want to take in picture folder. It's a screenshot name 88. I give it the screenshot save name 88. So if I want to, this will be taken the screenshot. I open this, that will come. So this is the easiest way you can take the screenshot about that. But here I show you there's if you go to the light shot, by taking that shot, you have to go first time, you have to go your browser and write here LIGHT light shot, okay. Whenever you press it, the features will come. This is the light shot for Mac and Windows. You can click here, and after clicking that, you have to set up as your extension, okay. For that extension, you have to sign up in your Gmail account or Yahoo account, any kind of account. You have to Gmail sign up for create an account. So for it will become, and for you have to download these apps, okay. Just go there, download that, and that will be come. Already I have set up in Chrome extension. For that reasons that's not showing to me. If you want to take a light shot screenshot, that time you have to take a extension. Here is it, extension. You can watching that light shot screenshot tool, simplify, allow copy, and video manage extensions, like that, okay. You have to take the extensions. You just write, you just write here light shot, gast light, ligast light short. Here is it, Chrome extension. You just click here, Chrome extension will be added to your extension. So by that way, you can 3 steps you can easily take screenshots on Windows 10. So if you take a help for this video, just thumbs up, share with your friend and families. Thank you for watching and watch my video and given the available time. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel.